Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jam and welcome to Yabu Galleria. Today we just opened and we have a special event called Katsu for 200. So, ang Katsu for 200, first 200 people get a free Katsu set. So, ayun. So, ano, handa ka na ba? 1, 2, 3, go! Jane.
Yes.
So, tell us about the event. Ano meron sa event na to?
So, Katsu for 200 today. So, free 200 Katsu sets ang pinapamigay natin. For the first 200 guests na mag-line up. Tsaka, ano ba? We share ng poster natin. So, do follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, link below.
Yeah,
Below.
link below.
Yan, ganan.
I'm used to all the pressure. But you know I'm not the same. Say go, we can swim. Lose all we can win. I'm so alive. Baby, it hurts.
Mag-welcome ka naman sa Yabu Galleria. Ganun tayo nag-open. Ngayon lang. Ngayon lang, di ba? Ano feeling mag-open? Pero, yes! Sir Mon, may kwento naman about Yabu.
Yabu? Yeah. We opened November 11, 2011. Yabu means 10, 8 plus 2 plus Yabu. Perfect 10 Katsu.
Yes!
Free Katsu! Free Katsu!
Yes!
Ganda! Oh.
Ang gaganda. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes, Shafina. Yes. Hello. Hi. Hi. Jenny, what's happening inside?
People are enjoying it.
They're enjoying. Good. Thank you. Masarap. Thank you po. You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi guys, how's the food? Enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Yes, thank you po. So that is over. Only a glimpse lang of the event na papakita ko. So on our next opening, watch out for the next Katsu for 200. So toot pala ko sa ano. But anyways, I have to start working. I have to say bye to everyone. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button. Bye. Hi, Tin. Hi. Tracy. Yes, say hello. Yes, passionate. Isha.
Yes,
Yes. Pretty ka ba?
Speechless.
Kailangan mo ay, ano kailangan mo ay?
For the seats.
Bakit?